pronunciation. There is a debate among the experts and the general public on how to pronounce specific years of the 21st century in English. Regarding this, academic suggestions suggest that the since former years such as 1805 and 1905 were commonly pronounced as a 18 or a 5 or 5 or 19 or 5. The year 2005 should naturally have been pronounced as the 2005. A less common variation would have been 29 not 5. Generally, the early years of the 21st century were pronounced as the 20,005, with a change in the taking place around 2010, where the pronunciation often shift between the early years standard of the 2010 and the traditional approach of 2010. The Vancouver Olympic, which took place in 2010, was being officially referred to by the Vancouver 2010 as the 2010 Olympic. The latest time frame for change are usually placed at 2020, according to the Stanley Kubrick archives in the press release for the film 2001: A Space Odyssey. Film director Stanley Kubrick included specific instruction for the journalist to refer to the movie as 2001 instead of the commonplace pronunciation of the 2001. Kubrick said that so had he did this hope that if the film became popular, it would influence the pronunciation of that year. Events, politics, and war. Russian President Vladimir Putin were with George W. Bush and other Western leaders in Moscow 9 May 2005. Protesters tried to stop members of the G8 from attending the summit during the 27th G8 summit in Geneva, Italy, by burning vehicles on the main route of the summit. 2000s, 1988 and 2002, the Second Congo War continued into the early 21st century. In 1999, ceasefire quickly broke down and the United Nations peacekeeping mission MONUC was unable to control the fighting. Troops from the Rwanda and the Uganda continued to support rebel groups against the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and the rifts also grew between the Rwanda and the Uganda as they accused each other of supporting rival rebels groups as well. Lawrence Kabila, president of the DRC, was assassinated in January 2001, and his son Joseph Kabila took power throughout 2002. Steps were made toward peace, and Rwanda and Uganda both removed their troops from the country in December 17, 2002. A massive treaty officially ended the war. However, the DRC only holds power in less than half of the country, with the most of the eastern and northern portions still controlled by the rebel groups, where there is still significant fighting. In addition, Rwanda still supports anti-DRC rebels, and anti-Rwanda rebellion continue to operate from the DRCs. The war killed an estimated 3.9 million people, displaced nearly 5.5 million, and led to the widespread and ongoing famine that continue to result in deaths. Several human rights violations continue to be reported. 2001, the Nepalese royal massacres occurred on 1st June 2001 at the house on the grounds of the Marianhiti Royal Palace. The residents of the Nepalese monarch and the member of the family were killed during a party or a monthly reunion dinner of the royal family in the house. The dead included King Barindra of the Nepal and Queen Aishwarya. 2001, George W. Bush is inaugurated as the 43rd President of the United States. He is the second president from the Bush family. 2001, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo becomes the second woman president of the Philippines, the first to be the child of the previous president Diosdado and Macapagal. 2001, more than 200,000 anti-globalization protesters marched in Geneva during the 27th and G8 summit Two demonstrations were killed by the Italian police. Only on July 21, a group of carabinieri attacked the school. Armando dies, serious injuries, many peaceful protesters. Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi insisted that the police use the minimum amount of the force necessary to achieve their goals. 2019, Al-Qaeda terrorists hijacked four commercial airlines and crashed two of them into the World Trade Center, one into the Pentagon and one in a failed in Chancellorsville and Pennsylvania of the United States of the September 11, killing nearly 3,000 people. The United States subsequently declared the war on terror. 2001-2014, the Northern Alliance NATO that ISF invaded Afghanistan on October 7, 2001 and overthrew the Al-Qaeda supported Taliban government. Troops remained to install a democratic government, fight a slowly escalating insurgency and to hunt for the Al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden, who was killed by American troops nearly 10 years later on May 2011. On December 24, 2014, NATO forces officially ended the combat operation in Afghanistan, but forces still remain to the present